Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can set up Office 365 on your iPhone. So it's a very simple process. All you have to do is just simply go to settings, scroll down and click on mail. Now in mail, click on account, then click on add account, then choose Microsoft Exchange. Now over here just simply enter the Microsoft 360 account email. Now after that, in the description add any name of your liking. So it is basically the username that you will be shown. So choose any name of your liking. Now after that, just simply click on next, then click on sign in. Now Microsoft will open up. So over here, enter the password that was given to you by the admin. Just enter the password. Now after that, just hit sign in and click on save password if you want to. Then click on ask later. Now it will ask you to accept some permissions. So just simply click the checkbox and click on accept. Then it will take you to a settings page for your email. So over here, check all the boxes and click save at the top right corner. After that, you will see that your account has been added, which I named Exchange, as you can see over here in the second column. So there is one more thing that you have to do now. So get out of the mail setting and now scroll down and you will find the option called default account. So as you can see, it is currently Gmail. Let's change it to the mail that you just created. So click on it and make it default. Now just simply search for mail and go to the all mailbox, and over there you will find your Microsoft 360 account that you just now created. So if you want, you can just simply go inside that, and over here you will find all of your mail. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.